Hey critters, hope you like this short video. Okay, let's try to save something today. Kling AI cost you $10 per month. Luma AI cost you $10 per month. And Runway cost you $15 per month, which can become quite expensive, right? So what if you have all of them in one place? Does it make any cost saving for you? I would say yes, but how? We'll see that today. There is an AI tool called Polo AI, has many interesting features like image generation, video generation, and consistent character generations and more. And it's cost saving too. But today, I'm going to go in depth with the consistent character video generation features, like what make this different and how is the quality and especially how cost effective is it. So now I'm on the Polo AI platform. Inside Polo AI, you can see the features like image to video, text to video, and consistent character video and video to video. But first, you might be wondering about the quality, right? We can go to the explore page here, which is kind of like a social media platform where other people have uploaded their generations for us to see. So here we have a video to video generations of a girl dancing. Another one, it looks like a TikTok video with an AI filters on it. So quality wise, it looks good so far. But let's conclude after the testing, okay? So without wasting any time, let's get into the consistent character video generation. As you can see on this page, we have image 1, image 2, image 3, and a prompt that you wanted to create with the images. So what I'm going to do is now upload a couple of 2 women images like this. I'm just going to crop a little bit, add the one I already did, and the last one here with a couch. Okay, now I'll prompt it basically like a 2 women sitting on the couch, talking to each other and smiling. How is this? Okay, I recommend use magic generate option here to get an enhanced output rather than giving your own stuff. Give your own stuff, but after that use this magic generate to enhance your prompt. Now, give the prompt in that box and it will give you more enhanced multiple prompt on it. And you can select one from what you like. And for resolution, just don't go very low or don't go very high. Let's use the middle one, like a 720p resolutions now as a proof of concept, and just hit create. This may take a few minutes, and here's the results. What do you think? The quality is fine, and the woman in the output doesn't look like the same woman what I uploaded here, right? But the scene is good. More dynamic and accurate, like they really talking each other and smiling. So on that aspect, it's good. So let's try some other prompt as well, like the same woman sitting in the top of a pile of money. This time I'm planning to generate with the 1080p and see the high quality video, how it's gonna come. Wow, nice. This is really great. The woman with the cash, it merged well, and the quality is also really good here with 1080p. I love that. Now let's try with a 3D animated character with the 2 different characters and the places. I'm just going to merge them all and we'll see how it's going to be the output is. I pick a blue little monster character and a girl playing in a small playroom. I have like a 2 characters and 1 room now. In the prompt, I'm going to put a monkey and a girl playing in the room. And obviously use the magic generate, and the resolution is going to be 1080p now, and let's see the resolution. I'm not satisfied, I'm not convinced, but the characters are good. The 2 characters is merged well with the room and the actions are great. They are just moving around, so that's good. So what I suggest is don't go for 1080p. Instead, generate at a low resolution and upscale them later to the 4K, where you will use only less credit, like a 10 credit for upscaling your video. Okay, now, so what is the point of doing this, generating this kind of a video? You may have a question, right? How this is going to benefit me, or how my work is going to stand out and make money out of it? That will be your question, right? Yes, I agree. So you know the AI influencing model, right? You can create your own AI model and make videos out of it, and you can start a social AI influencer. You can use either him or her to sell your product or influence with any kind of services. You can do that in several ways, I agree. It's not just only through Polo AI, but using Polo AI, you can do that easily, quickly, with a cost effective. Other tools, you may have to train the model and you need to get into too much technical. Obviously, that we have more control and quality, but going through with Apollo AI for this consistent influencing model, you will have a very cost-effective and speed to the market. Anybody can do that quickly and easily. I'll tell you how you can do that. Generate a beautiful influencer model. I've generated an AI image model already. Uploading that influencer model and adding a deep forest image with it, like a place. Now I'm giving a prompt, a woman walking in the jungle. Enhance the prompt. Now this is for your social media, like an Instagram, TikTok kind of thing. So select a vertical portrait resolution and not going for 1080p. Like I said earlier, just pick a 720 or even the low resolution, and then you can upscale them in the later point, which will save you 40 to 50 credits. And now look at the video. It's so beautiful. 720p, and upscale this for 10 credits to the 4K with the influencer model, and it's amazing now. Let's submit one more to make the influencers to smile looking at the camera. Let's see the consistency on the influencer face. Wow, this is amazing. I like that. Look at the upscaled version. It's so beautiful. Let's put the same model on the desert and see how consistently the video generated with the same character. A woman lying on the rainy desert and looking at the camera and smiles. Wow, so beautiful. It is so real, and the character is more consistent in all these videos. Let's try using the same model with an object merging with the scene. Like a woman sitting on the bonnet of the car and smile with a desert background. Wow, this is nice. I know the car and the model size ratio is a little weird. By tweaking the prompt, you can get that right in the later part. But otherwise, the video looks so good. This way, you can use for product and service promotions on your AI influencer. One more. Let's try to make the model influencers to eat chocolate with a desert background. A woman biting a chocolate and walking down the rainy desert. Wow, it's so beautiful. So now, adding all this video with the background audios and editing them, you can make a beautiful AI influencer video. Let's quickly see what is the price and how that price will help us on the cost effectiveness. Here you have a light plan and the pro plan. A light plan, it's a $10 a month. That gives you 300 credits a month. So that's the plan I'm on, and we pretty much used almost all the credits going through all the various tools. I counted around like 11 generations, but that really depends on what you are generating. You also get 2 simultaneous tasks, professional mode and faster generation speed, no watermarks, and you could have more camera moments options and priority support for $10 a month. And this is really a good plan, I would say. But it won't be enough if you really wanted to go for more videos and content creations. And that's why they have a pro plan, and that will give you 800 credits. And you can see here if you want to increase that up to, for example, like a 2000 credits all the way up to 50,000 credit. This is going to be the plan for you. Here you will get like a 3 simultaneous tasks, and the more you go up, the more simultaneous tasks you can generate. This is $25 a month on the yearly plan. On a monthly, it's a $29 a month. So I like that they don't have a massive discrepancies here. I believe 80 standard videos you can generate for a month, and that's more than enough depending on what you're going to use it for. For just $25 a month, you can get access to all the best AI video generators. You don't have to hop from platform to the platform. So whether you go with a $10 per month to dabble in these softwares or the pro versions to actually create a real AI video content, I highly recommend it. If you find this AI powered content helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing AI insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious. Happy creating. Thanks for watching.